You need to hear this. You might be fortunate in turning a $100 account to $1,000 in 2 weeks or just in a day, or you might be fortunate to turn a $10,000 challenge account to a 10% profit in just 2 weeks, but only to blow it immediately after passing the challenge. Why do traders often face this dilemma of blowing their accounts, trying to rush to pass a challenge, trying to flip an account with a small capital, maybe $100, $200, $500? The truth is that social media makes you feel like you're missing out on opportunities that James or Jude is making. Maybe he just received a $10,000 check from his prop firm, or his trading account is rolling with thousands of zeros behind it. Here are 3 things you need to prioritize to become a successful trader. So the question that should be on your mind shouldn't be how can you catch up to live the lifestyle that you see with Habib, Jude, Kunle living the life, cashing out on Forex. But it should be how can I plan my own trading style and be consistent with it so that I can be one of the best in the next 2 years. The first factor you need to work on is your mindset. Now that belief that not using a stop loss or using a large lot size, one standard lot, is the only way to grow your account, or that belief where you can flip $100 and make it $1,000, is one thing you need to stop having. Yes, I said it. You need to stop thinking like that. Yes, I'm talking to you, Ebuka, who is about to remove his stop loss, or you, Olakunle, who is about to shift his stop loss because it's going against him. Or is it James that wants to increase his lot size because he's about to pass a challenge? The honest truth is that James, Kunle, Olakunle can be fortunate 10 times, but that day will always be there when they are wrong, and they will likely lose their account, or they will have a heavy drawdown because they didn't use that stop loss, or they use an outrageous lot size that is not sufficient for their trading capital. So what is the first key to being a successful trader, which has nothing to do with flipping accounts or using large lot size? I know you are thinking about strategy, but guess what? Nah, strategy is not the key. Funny enough, many people don't know this, but it is your risks to reward. If you have heard the term risks to reward, but you don't really understand the concept, you're in good fortune. I'm here to help you. So continue watching. Now, when it comes to risks to reward, it just simply means that you need to be clear on what percentage of your account you are risking and what reward you are going for. For example, I risk 1% of my account. So if it's a $10,000 account, I'm risking 1%, which is $100, and I'm going for 3%. So that is called risk to reward. So your job as a trader is to build your mindset to understand that you're not just taking trades just because you want to see it going green or blue, then you take out your profit. You are taking trades because you want to know that when you risk a percentage, you should go for a good risk to reward ratio. And why is that? You are doing that because the days you will lose in the market, because it is inevitable, you would lose. Anybody that is telling you will not lose, wake up. You need to understand how the mindset of a trader works. The day you lose just 1%, using my example. The day I win 3%. So even if I lose Monday, Tuesday, and I win on Wednesday, I am still 1 hour up. That means it covers for Monday and Tuesday loss and gives me a head start for Thursday because I'll be in profit that Wednesday. But if you use a risk to reward of 1 hour, that is 1%, or you don't even know what percentage you are using, and you don't know what reward you are going for, then what you'll see is that the days you win, you are happy, but the days you lose, you practically are back to square one. So you have an example like this. let's say you're in good spirit. On Monday, you come to the chart, you win, you take 1 hour and go home. Not using 1 to 3 hours, you're just using 1 hour, or just taking profit at any time you wish. On Tuesday, you feel overconfident, you do some silly mistake, you're back to square one. On Wednesday, you come, okay, let me do something to recover my account. You go down another 1 hour. Now, if you look at it, the way you are going, by Friday, the highest you can get is maybe you win on Thursday 1 hour and you win on Friday, that's 1 hour. But when I come into the market, I'm not like you. On Monday, I go for 1 to 3 hours. That means if I win, I'm already 3 hours up. If I lose on Tuesday like you, I lose 1. So that means I still have 2 hours. That means I'm still $200 in profit. If I come on Wednesday and I don't do any dumb shit, I now have 3 hours again. So I'm 5 hours up. But you're still on 1 hour sweating and still giving that seashore or unpredictable behavior you might have entered and want to revenge trade. On Thursday, I might not even be looking for any trade because I am comfortable with what I've gotten for the week. On Friday, I say, okay, let me take 1 more. And even if I lose, I still have 4 hours because I just lost only 1 hour. If you understand the concept of risk to reward, you will see that trading is not about if you lose or you win. Trading is about probability, and you want to make sure that you always have the probability to be in your favor. And one way to do that is to play the numbers game. The numbers game simply means that when you lose 1 hour, the days you win 3 hours will always make up for the days you lose. At the end of the month, even if you lose some, you would be profitable at the end of the month. So in summary, your success does not depend on the lot size you use, or saying that stop loss is a witch hunt, or just trying to flip a $100 account. Your success actually depends on your risk to reward. Understanding that you just need to trust the process, knowing that if you wake up today, you are not thinking about today's money, but you are thinking about following a consistent process that at the end of the year will always give you the winning edge. What if you have become addicted to trading, or you can't just stop watching the market? I created a video at the top, you can see it anytime, to know how you can work on addiction.